Testing. Testing. I would always do this. Always do this. There we go. Okay. Alright. Resident Evil 4 time. I have played this, but I have never beaten it. I think I got maybe 2 hours in. So, bear with me. Mercenaries. Okay. Let's do this. Why did that look like the mother off of RE3? Or not, 7.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night, the pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
So tell me, Yankee, why did you come to this horrible place? As close to nowhere that I've ever seen.
Let's just say, looking for someone.
That someone must be very important, huh? The chief gave the orders himself. Help him, he said.
I'm sure you boys didn't come all the way out here to roast marshmallows. Maybe you did.
You have a strange sense of humor. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Just between us. A lot of people have gone missing around here. And it's been that way for a while now.
Well then, should be just another day in the office, right?
I mean, last week there was a search for some missing hikers.
I'm sure you'll do your best to help me.
I think this is it. Nature calls, huh? I'll be right back. Qué frío.
¿Te has bebido el bar entero? You smoke?
Vaya sitio más tétrico.
Great English. Great place to take a piss.
¿Hay alguien ahí?
Yes, just go further in without telling your friends. You like this one because you're allowed to parry in it. If I remember correctly, the story is a
He
lot
sure
longer
is
than
taking
2 and
his
3.
time. Did he fall in? Maybe you better go and take a look.
Coward. Again, pussy.
I'll watch the car. Wouldn't want to get a parking ticket.
So much for helping me.
Jackass. Bink. What you talking about, eh? Alright.
How far could he have gone?
Pretty far. It's pretty stupid, so. Mmm. Beer. Num num num. Venison.
Phew.
Ugh. Sorry. Kick it open, Leon.
Anyone home?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo es Ian. Hello. We were with a group of cops and we're just basically looking for one of them that wandered off. I don't like this. Yeah. Housekeeping? You order a hot towel? No? Yeah, how are you?
Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Mi español es no muy bueno. Hey, how are you? You hit the kick, bro. Man, I'm dead. Do I have a map yet? I do. Yeah.
This is not good.
Key for the key. Look at the ammo.
Man, that stinks.
Soup. Oh, delicious. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, his thing. Rip. Ah yes. Dark basement. Cozy. That's a rat. Oh shit. It's a rat. Lol. Bye-bye.
I read you. What's your situation?
Dead. I
hell's
think
going
that's a situation. What do you mean the hell's going on? You've seen this before, bud.
What was that?
Ew, you're nasty, bro. Get off me.
This just keeps getting worse.
Nasty. There is still stuff in here from the looks of it. But... Oh, yes, the herbs. Ah, yeah, I love the inventory system in this now, compared to 2 and 3.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are...
Here's Johnny. Hey, how are ya?
I'll let myself out.
Superhero landing. Ow. Alrighty then. Sorry. I know. How the bees are acting up. Bud! Aw. Yes, I know how it works. Yeah, we don't have any other charms yet. I gotta find the gun rage for that. You know, I really wish I knew Spanish better. I don't think I have to crouch here. I think we're good. Oh, thank you for the ammo. Really appreciate it. Anyways. Yeah. This is where... Oh, hey. Thank you. Pesetas. Come on out to play. Let's go. Yep, there you are. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. Get off my dick. forgot about the kick. And back. Thank you. Thank you, Poppy. Yes, I know how it works. Thank you. If I remember correctly, if you mix one of each herb together, you can increase your max health. Hey now! I forgot about it. Oh, a flash grenade. Here we go. It's time for Chainsaw Man. Yep. ¿Dónde está? Sneak 100. Oh, yeah. Good night. You go sleep, yes. More casetas, yes, please. This is where things get a little bit dicey. Here we go. Start the clock. That's 5 for 3 minutes, I think. Yep, Chainsaw Man.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Grab all the ammo down here first. I can come down here. I would prefer you leave me alone, Mr. Chainsaw.
Oh, nice.
Give me a hand grenade, please. Thank you. And kick you down. And now we jump out the window. Nope. This dude literally runs like it's not serious. Oh, yeah. Fuck you. Get off my dick. Get off me. Get off me! Kindly fuck off. Oh, go fuck yourself. They blocked me off this way. Place grenade! We should have gone this way.
Next.
I prefer you fuck off. Get off me. Get off me! Fuck you. There we go. Bell of victory, baby!
Huh?
La campana. Al que obedecerla.
Él nos invoca.
First try, baby.
Tenemos que servir.
That's all, man. Bro. He's hard to fucking kill.
Al Lord Saddler Todopoderoso.
Is that what you have to say? Bye-bye.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Yes, sir. God, I love this game. Gameplay-wise, I feel like this is probably one
Route
of the
to
really
Condor
good
1. I've
ones.
identified a route to the lake. Look for a large windmill. There's a path on the far side of it.
Windmill. Copy that.
And be careful. Roost out.
Yep. Alright, make sure we search everything. I know there's a lot of stuff in this village. Yep, here are shotgun shells. I miss these. I don't know if there's anything up here. There is. Alright.
These people
Yeah,
are
he's
sick.
cooked. Quite literally. And if I remember correctly, there's one straggler. Pesetas. Ready? You telling me I can't lift that up? Really? Yeah, whatever. Handgun ammo, yes please. Anything back here? Oh, it's just a back way. Way to come through. I'm a loot goblin when it comes to this game, so it's gonna take me time to loot all this shit. Get as much ammo as I can get. Yep, here we go. I remembered you, big boy. Resources. Ah, okay. I remember that. Okay. But it's not like the gunpowder you mix together anymore. Pesetas? More pesetas. There's some treasure in there. I can't really get to it yet, though. More pesetas. Gunpowder. There we go. Oh, it's in here. Okay. Let's go grab the rest of the stuff and then we'll... Oh, we gotta get it in the clock tower as well. Clock tower. Look at all those chickens. No key. Anyways. Where's the way out of here? Back through here.
There it is.
Yep, there's the window. Sleep, go sleep, go sleep. I see you, blue medallion. I'll be back for you later. Go sleep, go sleep, go sleep. Be back for you later too. And yo. I guess we can do it now. Yep. Oppositos. I can just hit that one with a knife.
It's locked.
Yeah, all the blue medallions are here. I don't remember where they all are. Ah, yes. More shotgun shells, I will take. For them. Shut up, bitch. Fuck you on. Yeah, I know how the treasures work.
Damn.
Alright, time to go. Where'd all you fuckers come from? Not throw axes at me, please. Come on, big boy. There you go, dumbass. Ow. there's one more to be down there somewhere. I just gotta find out. Oh, there it is. I ran around all the way. Get in. Yep. Hello, dead cow. And if I remember correctly, the fuck you want? Fuck you. Can't see shit. Can't see shit. Fuck off. Ah, yes. I remember this part. God, my aiming is ass. There you go.
Un forastero!
You are kind of a dick, you know that? Ven aquí. Get off me!
Shit! Give me a break already.
That's just nasty. Kindly fuck off. That's everything. Yeah, I hear
This
you.
the place?
I'll do that later when I find a save point.
What's that noise?
Hispanic Mr. X incoming.
That hurts, you know?
Seemed like you really wanted to talk.
How observant, senor. Now, say, you got a smoke?
You know, those things will kill you.
Oh, well, maybe just untie me then, huh? Joder, not this guy!
Who are you? Okay, stop right there!
We are now infected. Chapter end.
Sacrificial lamb, you will receive our most sacred body. It begins now.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, stop it. Hey, Yankee. Got a name?
Leon.
Quiet type, eh? I'm Luis Serra. Guess you, me, picked the wrongest spot to vacation, eh? Hey! Stop it! You move, I move. And I'm beat up enough as it is. I can see you're thinking. Bet you've been in spots like this before, huh? I guess you're here looking for someone. One more guess. Maybe some missing señorita?
Young girl? Talk. Now.
All right. See, heard chatter about moving a señorita.
Moving her. Where?
Who knows? But later, saw some men dragging someone to the old church. Hanging with you, not healthy.
Hey, we're not done here!
Later, amigo.
Shit, they took my gear.
Yeah, open it back. Oh, thank you for showing me that it was taken. Thank you.
Condor 1 to Roost. I've located Baby Eagle. It sounds like she's being kept in some church.
Great. That's good news.
I heard it from this guy I met. He said his name is Luis Serra. There's something fishy about him. I need you to run a background check.
We'll call Condor 1. I'll see what I can find. In the meantime, make your way to that church.
Right. I'm probably due for confession anyway. Condor 1, out.
Can you do the light sweeping attack? No, never mind. Yes, I know how to start this, but...
I'll be taking these back.
Hello, stranger.
Over here, stranger.
Who's that?
Not enough cash.
Let's do some business then. Hey,
Killing 3 rats. Extra 1. You going, little buddy? Where'd you go? You're running around.
Yes.
Took care of her. Welcome. A job well done deserves payment in kind. I've got something new for you, mate. What's that? How have we procured these curiosities? You don't want to know, mate. A wise
think the Punisher
choice,
this early on would be a good idea.
Its ammo will penetrate just about anything. I still have some new items you might be interested in. A deal well split. Isn't welcome. Your valuables, thank you. Not bad. Pleasure doing business with you. Will that be all then? That's good work, if I do say so myself. This
Definitely
kind of
increases
work is
durability
about
on the
finesse,
knife.
stranger.
There's more
Little
power
bit
in this.
goes a long way.
Manual
Use.
capacity,
There you are, as you wished. Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger.
I'll have to come back later for the rest of this stuff.
That cash in your pocket or your life. Easy to come back anytime.
Alright guys, I think this is a good place to stop. But it was fun. I will see you guys next time. Maybe tomorrow, we'll see.